Around 8 o'clock this morning, I received several warnings to have a look at the water levels on the Vaal River and Vaal Dam. So I've been on the Department of Water and Sanitation website since about 6 o'clock this morning, just checking what's happening, and it still hadn't updated for the morning, and that usually happens around 7. And yesterday's flow level showed an uptick in the flow, but nothing dramatic. So we all know that rain has been falling in the catchment area, and when they updated it, things looked a bit different. Let's have a look at it. So this is the Vaal Dam. You'll see some dramatic changes here. It shows that the inflow around 7 o'clock this morning was at 1,018 cubic meters per second, and the dam level at 107%. Just a week ago it was at 101%. You can see here. And that uptick happened almost overnight to 107%. Some uptick earlier in the weekend. So the warning that we received was that they were going to open gates on the dam up to 670, approximately, plus minus 675 cubic meters per second, opening gates at 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1 o'clock. You can see here a very fast uptick in the outflow, correlating to about just above 600 cubic meters per second. Let's just look quickly at the range. This water is primarily coming from around the Harrismith area, the Mule and Wilge rivers, but I'm sure all of these rivers are contributing to it, with the Mule at 260 cubic meters, the Wilge at 364, with the total inflow from the Wilge into the dam at 600 cubic meters per second. And then Gladderdrift C1H12, that's above the Vaal on the other branch, the top branch, showing around 400 cubic meters per second. That gives you the 1,000 inflow. Then Bloemhof Dam, also a fast uptick, and not all of it's coming from the Vaal yet, because the Vaal is just opening up from 65 now. So Bloemhof Dam also shows a jump in capacity, going in a week's time. Let's work it back to here, from around 96-97% up to 99.9%. Let's just see it there, with an inflow of 246 cubic meters per second, and showing a slight drop with the opening of the gates, and then a very fast climb up to 104%. We'll have to see where that projection goes. That'll also depend on the range probably. So the opening of the gates was planned for around 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, opening up to 400 cubic meters per second outflow out of Bloemhof Dam. I couldn't see exactly where all the water was coming from to enter Bloemhof. The Vals River, let's see here, Botawil about 100 cubic meters per second, and then the Sand and the Vet River, Sand here at 45, Vet at 40 approximately. I have no intention to be alarmist about floods. I'm not predicting that there will be a flood. I'm just saying a lot of indications are that we can possibly have a flood, and basically all the dams are full. The lowest levels is at about 95% at Griep Dam. Inflow is also up, so it's climbing slowly, but they're letting out more water. And then Van der Kloof is at about 91%. Those are the two lowest of the major dams. So hopefully they keep reacting fast. We'll have to see. I'll keep you updated. See you on the next one. Cheers.